Welcome to the Boots Guards family. We are delighted to have you as part of our esteemed team. Congratulations on successfully signing up for the Boots Guards app. In this comprehensive video tutorial, we will guide you on how to accept and successfully complete your first shift using the Boots Guard app. Let's commence with the first step. Open the Boots Guard app and log into your account. On the home screen, you will find a list of available shifts for which you are eligible. Take your time to thoroughly review the pertinent details such as the date, time, address, pay rate, and shift requirements. It is crucial to thoroughly understand the details, as failing to complete a shift after accepting it may result in account restrictions. Once you have selected a suitable shift that aligns with your schedule and preferences, proceed by tapping the Accept button. By accepting the shift, you are officially assigned to it. Congratulations, you have successfully accepted your first shift. To access and manage your assigned shifts, navigate to the Assigned Shifts section within the app. Here, you will find comprehensive information about your upcoming job, including specific instructions and uniform requirements. Adhering to the provided instructions and dressing appropriately according to the specified uniform guidelines is of paramount importance to maintain a professional image and uphold the reputation of the company. Now, let us move on to the shift day. Arriving at the designated site at least 15 minutes prior to the scheduled start time demonstrates reliability and professionalism. Once you have arrived, open the Boots Guard app and access the Assigned Shifts section. Tap on the shift you are scheduled for, and you will be directed to a screen that outlines the steps required to complete your shift smoothly and efficiently. Before proceeding, it is advisable to thoroughly read the instructions provided by your supervisors and establish communication with the designated contact person whenever necessary. Prioritizing safety, let us begin with the initial site check. This step involves scanning strategically placed QR codes throughout the premises. If you encounter any difficulties locating the QR codes, promptly reach out to your supervisor for guidance. Upon successfully scanning all QR codes, provide additional information as per the instructions and capture 5 pictures of the site. Conclude this step by answering a simple question: is everything safe and secure? If your answer is affirmative, proceed with your shift. However, if there are any concerns, it is imperative to immediately contact your supervisor for further instructions. Well done! You have completed the initial site check. Now let's move on to the hourly check, a vital aspect of ensuring optimal security. Once the timer elapses, access this section and follow the same protocol as the initial check to complete your hourly reports throughout the duration of the shift. Next, we have the additional entry section. Here, you can provide any additional information or incidents that may have occurred during your shift. It is crucial to provide clear and concise descriptions supported by appropriate pictures. Should you encounter any uncertainties, do not hesitate to seek guidance from your supervisor or consult Boots Guard AI. Your safety is of utmost importance, and it is essential to exercise caution. Do not engage in any risky situations and contact emergency services immediately by dialing 911 in the event of an emergency. Finally, as your shift nears completion, contact your supervisor during the last 5 minutes to obtain clearance to end your shift. Upon receiving clearance, tap on the End Shift button within the Boots Guard app. You have now successfully completed your first shift. We are excited for the prosperous partnership that lies ahead as you embark on your journey as a valued member of the Boots Guards team. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, our dedicated support team is available 24/7. Feel free to reach out via the app menu. We wish you every success in your role as a Boots Guard. Stay vigilant and professional at all times.